Hi friends, Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes. Hope all of you are doing great and having a nice day. Well, today I'll be showing you how to make some mango milkshake. It's very easy to make and we're making it from, fresh mangoes, the pulp of fresh mangoes. So let's get started with this mango milkshake recipe. Now here I've taken a blender, and in my blender I'm going to add the pulp of one large Alfonso or Hapus mango, roughly about 1.5 cup. Then I'm going to add some ice cubes. This is optional. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. This gives a little bit of sweetness to the mango milkshake. You can avoid the sugar too. Then I'm going to add 1 big dollop of ice cream, vanilla ice cream, about half a cup. This makes it very rich and creamy. And then I'm going to add some cold milk, depending upon how many cups you want. Here I'm making 2 cups of mango milkshake. And now just blend all of this together till you get a nice and light, airy mango milkshake. I blended this for approximately 2 minutes till I got it nice and frothy and it really looked good. This is an ideal summer drink. You can just make this and store it in your refrigerator. And I'm just pouring it into these little cute glass bottles and keeping it in my refrigerator. So whenever my kids are thirsty and they want to just grab a milkshake, they can just pick up their individual bottles and have it. You can store it in any big large container and just pour them into the normal milkshake glasses. So this was an easy mango milkshake recipe. I hope you like this recipe. Do leave your comments in the comment box below and do try out this recipe. And it's best served nice and chill. So see you guys in another video. This is Akshata saying bye and take care. Please do give this video a big like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for updates. Visit my channel for more than 140 recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another video.